Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, put on gloves and test alcohol on a hidden spot so you know the surface tolerates it. Once safe, saturate a cotton pad with 70% plus rubbing alcohol and press it onto the marker. Blot gently, don't rub, so ink moves into the pad instead of spreading. Make small, controlled presses and rotate the cotton as ink transfers, because that prevents redepositing. If you see lift, continue in short cycles until visible ink reduces. Once done with surface tests, adapt by material. You can scribble over plastic with a dry erase marker, then wipe. That chemistry often dissolves permanent ink. For porous wood or fabric, apply alcohol sparingly and agitate with a soft brush so fibers release pigment. Make sure to dab, not drench, to protect finishes. If alcohol stalls, mix a baking soda paste or use a targeted solvent. Go gradually and observe the finish. Because aggressive cleaners remove surface coatings. You finish by wiping the area with a damp cloth to remove residue, then dry thoroughly so you can inspect the result. If the finish dulled, consider a light polish or refinish to restore protection. Make sure to dispose of used pads safely because they can be flammable. If the stain persists after a careful repeat, try a different solvent or professional cleaning. Do not over-scrub because that risks permanent damage. Instead, seek expert help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.